All right, this is Carnival Mardi Gras Suite 10315. Let's see. Check out what we have here. Okay, first thing to notice on Mardi Gras, you require a key card to go in your back here. You can also use like any card, business card, anything actually will trip it up. Bathroom, hard shower door. You can see that. This is set up for 2 twins. It's a huge, long room here. And we have, just so you know, these have nice little light up bed things. USB port. That's it. There's one also on the other side of the bed. Okay, here's the one closet, the safe. Note this does come down. If you want shelves, you would just pull these down. If I could do it with 2 hands, but anyways, like this. And then you have shelving unit if you want that. Here's the next one. Nice and spacious. Sleeper sofa, a little curtain here to divide your space. Big TV. Got a cooler here. Some drawers there, a little desk workspace, the hair dryer. Comes with all the rooms. Got some more little drawer space here. And this is what I've been waiting to see though, is this balcony. To slide. I can get it. Okay. It's a nice corner one. So this is lovely. There you go. Port Canaveral, Carnival Mardi Gras.